Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So here I'm just showing you what I got brought for Gabrielle. I got a few toys that she likes playing with. I got a tiny little pool for she to cool off in, towels, washcloth, blankets, a rain jacket, a hoodie. I got a few sleepers, bathing suit, a hat, a few outfits, and in this little bag here I got her medicine, like a nose Frida, a Tylenol, thermometer, things like that, just in case she gets sick. Yep, that's it. The car is packed. The baby is in. I like packed full to the brim. Getting the car all topped up with water and everything for our trip. Just had the first stop at Whitburn. Had a bit of breakfast with the little angel in the back there. And yeah, we're on our way. I think we're going to stop again in Clarenville, get some lunch before we head over to the campsite. See you then. We're going through Doe Hills right now. It's so gorgeous. It's always foggy here though, always.
Welcome to Mary Brown's Chicken. We'll take your order shortly. Don't forget to pay with your app in the payment window to collect valuable reward points. Thank you.
That's new.
Okay, so spicy mayo instead of regular?
Yep, and is that everything?
Yep.
Alright, your total is $11.48. So we're here at Clarenville, stopped for lunch.
Yeah.
Just having something to eat before we get to the campsite. The campsite is about half an hour from here. So we should be there in 45 minutes because it's going to take us a little while to eat. Yeah.
Happy.
See you then. Just got here to the campsite. This is what it looks like. We're gonna get all set up now and get it all comfortable and livable. Yeah, so this is what the camp looks like. We got here set up. Gabrielle was looking at her shows. Got her trash bags there, the chairs. And Gabrielle's having a snack.
Snack here.
And we have some sidekicks because it's easy. And some moose sausages. Yum. Can't wait to try those. We got a little pack and plate here set up for Gabrielle. That she don't really like it that much anyway, but it's good to have somewhere to put her if we gotta get something done. A bit of her toys. Let me show you like a wide angle view. Yep, so this is the campsite. Side 58. This is our setup here. Got the lights going. I had my tripod earlier. Set up tent so you guys could see. We already had our supper. So we have it all cleaned up over there.
I'm gonna close down all the car now.
And
All the windows are open.
And we got the tent there. We got Gabrielle play yard here. We was going to put it in the tent, but we decided against it. She was going to sleep in the tent with us. So it's pretty warm now. As you can see, I got a shirt, a vest on. The flies are out, as you can see. I'm blocking from all the flies. We don't have a fire pit on site, which kind of suck. It is a provincial site and they only allow communal fire pits, so they don't allow fire pits on the actual campsite, which sucks because we're not really in the mood to go anywhere off the campsite. We just went for a nice little walk and that's good enough for us. And Gabrielle is asleep now, so we're not gonna go anywhere anyway. So we're just gonna sit here and listen to some music and enjoy the camping experience. Good morning, guys. So this is the next day. Gabrielle is watching some shows while I get everything packed up here. It wasn't too bad last night. It wasn't too cold in the tent. Gabrielle didn't have a good time sleeping. She went to sleep about, I don't know, at 12 o'clock. I had to go around and walk her to put her to sleep. So yeah, it was a bit rough in that way, but to actually sleep in the tent wasn't too bad in terms of the weather and the temperature. So we're gonna get some breakfast made up now and then get ready to go to the beach. We're going to Sandy Pond Beach. We're all packed up and ready to go. Goodbye, campsite number 58. Everybody's in the car. Site is all packed up. Gabrielle's ready to rock. Time to go. So it's not very nice out today. It was supposed to be a nice day, but it's really windy. And a little bit chilly. It's supposed to, it says it's 21, but it's super chilly. So I figured I would show you the pond anyway. What it looks like. I don't think it's
Yay!
We just stopped at what's this place called again? What is this place called?
Splash and Putt.
We just stopped at Splash and Putt for a quick bite to eat. We actually have Mary Brown's again. And this is what it looks like here. The park is not open yet. I think it opens at 1st of July kind of day. So we're just gonna get some to eat and then we're going to check out the Oasis. Hi guys, we just got here at the Oasis campsite. This is what we get. We get a few chairs here, a barbecue, picnic table, and let me show you the Oasis. So welcome to the Oasis. Gotta go up these very steep ramp. It's not too bad, just bad on the hammies, but not too bad. Cool door. And we got
Pretty, eh?
and this is what it looks like inside. Not very much to it. So it comes like this with like chair and table, and I think the table converts into a bed. And we got a couple windows. This one here can open, this one here can't, and this one here can. We also got a couple outlets here. So these just this Oasis is powered. I think this is the only powered one in the
Door.
This is the only powered one on the island. We got this up here, a little canopy type thing for storage. And a broom and dustpan, fire extinguisher, a garbage can. It's pretty windy here today and it is a little bit shaky. Fingers crossed it holds up. Hi there, good morning everybody. This is the next day. We already have the Oasis cleaned out and ready to go because we gotta leave here at 11. We gotta check out at 11 and it's already 10, so we're getting everything cleaned up. We're not gonna have any breakfast here at this site because it's raining out and we don't want to deal with cleaning up dishes and stuff in the rain, so we're just gonna get it on the road, I suppose. So yeah, so just a few things after spending the night in here. We're really thankful for these screens. As you can see, there's some, I don't know if you can see it good, there's some mosquitoes or flies or something on the net in the screens there. There were like hundreds last night. So these two screen windows were awesome because we could have still have the window open and have the breeze come in without the flies. And the door, there's this magnetic screen here that just goes on over the door, the top half of the door, and you can leave the top open. However, this little space here, there's nothing to hook on the magnets to, so there was like a little flap thing here. So I didn't trust that. I just ended up closing the door after a while. The bed setup was very uncomfortable. So this goes flush with this here, the table goes flush down with this. It opens up like this, and it cranks flush with the bottom there. It goes flush with the bottom. However, the cushions is what we had a problem with, because they keep going back and forth, and it wasn't a comfortable sleep at all, because we had the baby with us on the quote-unquote bed here. We put the pack and play in here. It barely fits, but it did. But she still didn't want to sleep in it, so we had no space to walk because the pack and play wasn't here, which is our choice. And then we had her on the bed here, and the cushions were just going everywhere. So it wasn't the most comfortable sleep, but looking at the stars last night was really nice, and that's what it's all about. All in all, I think we had a good experience. Just maybe it would have been nice if the cushions stuck together or something, or zipped together so that they wouldn't pull apart. But all in all, it was nice. And if you come in here with kids, this up here holds, they said it can take up to 150 pounds. So it's good for small children, or just your supplies, your luggage or whatever. So yeah, this is the Oasis. And there's a heater here on the wall for, I guess, cold nights. And there's this ladder here that goes up to the kind of canopy area here, and that is nailed to the ground, because yes, I did try to move it, because if I had the pack and play going this way instead, we would have a little bit of walking space, but it can move. So we had it lengthways like this, so it was blocking up the entire walkway. So yeah. And then there is some storage here in the seats. We didn't use them. So yeah, nice. Bye, Oasis. We got the site all cleaned up again. Everything's already packed in the car. And we gotta say goodbye to campsite 81.